Hello, welcome back to Respect is Growing, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Vanessa and I'm so happy you decided to click on this video. Join me today as I decide to clean out our fridge. We all know our fridges get used countless times a day, always being open and closed, and that just puts some wear and tear and some dirt and grime into the fridge. So you have to clean that out every now and then. I don't do this all that often, I won't lie. I probably could do it a lot more regularly. However, we're gonna get to it today. look at those before and afters that I'm putting on the screen for you right now, just amazing. I always end up putting off these jobs because they seem like too big of a task, but I'm always happy with the end result when I put the time into it. Yes, takes some time, takes your energy, but these are things you use every day. Even my video when I clean the stove, we literally use these things every day of our lives, especially like I said in our intro. The fridge, we go in it 1,000 times a day. So it's good to invest into cleaning these products and items so that we get to enjoy them fully. I'm going to go ahead and leave my husband's information for his YouTube channel just below for your reference. It is Cooking with Ronald, but he does a variety of things, there's DIYs. Also, you saw me putting some food away for the baby. That is something we've made on his channel, being primarily food. You can go and see that playlist. It's called Liam's Baby Food for your reference. Currently, he's actually doing this 200 push-up a day challenge, and it's been a bit of a process, but he's getting to a good spot with it now, and you can see that progress as well on his channel. We do quite a few different challenges. I often join him, although I decided to forego this one this time because I don't know about you, but I'm not really a push-up kind of person. Maybe I need to become one, but I'm not yet. So nonetheless, you can go ahead and check out his challenge. Thank you so much for joining me as I clean the fridge. Perhaps this also gave you some motivation in the process, in which case we can only help each other in this world, and I'm happy to have been of service. In fact, I did all this while my husband was at work, so this is a complete surprise to him. And now I want everyone to see his reaction because I know I'm really happy with the results.
Oh, that actually looks really good. Now I have the dressings on one side. Wow, milk here. Everything looks good. Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. You like?
Yeah, very nice. I might actually hire you to do some jobs around the house now.
You can't afford me.
Thank you.
This is actually really excellent timing because it's almost a new month, and that's when we do our grocery shopping.
I know.
So you see how it's a little empty. That won't last for long because next month on the 1st we'll have some more food in there. Although in the meantime we're still not going to starve.
No, we have enough water to drink.
And at least baby food.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please consider a like, share, and subscribe for anyone who might be interested in this. Maybe I'll see you next time.